Mathias na ndị otu niile. When I mean by ndị otu, eminum ma ndị na-eso ụzọ ma ndị ụmụazị ya niile, ma ndị na-aga n'usoro ọ na-aga, ndị niile wu ndị sịrị na Jizọs melụ ha ife a, ụka jikwa wee mee ha nke a, ụka jikwa wee mee ha nke a. Ife na-akpọ so many of them wo itiboribo, and itiboribo nke ụnụ enweghị boundary. The most confused set of people. You know, it's so funny the way they always tell you religion is this, religion is this. Can you, for God's sake, choose your battle right? Only if you have a problem against Christianity, be specific, say Christianity is the problem. Stop talking about religion, because even you yourself, you are practicing religion. Mande serego na ha na-efe ndana, mande serego na ha na-efe chiana. He wulu kai, he wulu oji, he wulu nzu na edo. Every day ha na-akwụgharị ebe a na-ere uri ọmụ ọkụkọ, na-akwụgharị ebe a na-ere ewu aka ha aka. So ka e wee je chụọ ọlụ chi aja, ka e wee je kpọkuo ndana. Common sense ga gwa ha no religion ka na practice. You think that when you talk, once you talk about religion, Christianity is equal to religion. Eh? You don't know that religion, when meaning translates into different denomination and different form of worship. Matthias, every Sunday you assemble your group of in different branches in welu na akpokuchukwu okike abiama. Common sense ga gwa how no religion within our practice. Onya kanji we say mmadu na anu ogo, but in agba ball, but in weho a goal post to determine a by ball aka na kpo n'ime ibido konya you ma hebe mmiri we bido mwa therefore ya mwe ball kusara ma. So when they stay talking about na religion, we blue brain no black man, na religion, we blue brain, if onye na akuzi fa continuously, na ga from platform to platform, na ga from Facebook page to Facebook page, na ga from TikTok to TikTok, na kolo ge fa. Problem onwelu with you is that ni le sepulana, or ni le in a place of worship, sepulana, yo chukwu ahi believe no kadele mmado. Yo yese bia nyeru aka, yo egwe bia meru ife do otu a. Now problem onya nwere okwe. Mana the same person na accuse you of doing the same thing. Na akpagari from every shop where ba na eri ife mmụọ eji achụ aja. Of course, onozi everywhere around us. If there is one thing they succeeded, ha mesidi na ezo so it's everywhere. Every day for na okeru ha ogoro ha akwocha oyejije bu ibu nde mmụọ. Ojegolu okuka abuke oyejije gwo nka, ojegolu nka oyejije gbuke, ojegolu nka oyejije nye ndechi ye nni, oje ba jegolu nka oyeji weje chukwa nde nyori ụwa chiwa ye na ndị otu ma nka oyeji weje rụọrụ mmiri. Ofukwe that no na practice religion no. Then onye nke na assemble ndị mmadụ sị no na ha na-eje worship chukwu okike abịa ma eje aye ka ọ bịa nọnyere ha ka o mee ife. Ofukwe no na practice religion. Kene buburu ndasi we bia na agba ball. I like as a matter of fact, Adama like it majority jump on my wagon. I want people who understand the direction of where I am going. For if you don't understand the goal and the mission, I don't need you in my ship. Because you will be bia with the guys na mona run show fuano. Before you know it, it's one. Number two, what are the guys named on the same mission with me? But I will know that you want to achieve another goal, which is different from goal actually achieve that mission. So that is how I see them. From Hanchanine as in them will common enemy, how will common target actually bring it down, which is going to Christianity. But they are all confused because they have different missions, they have different goals, but the only thing as a stumbling block, the only thing melu have with the common Christianity. So that is why they believe that the only religion do Christianity, and that is why they believe that they are not practicing religion, because according to them, the only religion non Aniba Christianity. If one on daily, but I will refer you to the dictionary, to go to the dictionary and dig up the actual meaning of religion. And with customary religious, customary religion. O can do ordinary. Nke Mathias ha. O can do ordinary. Or a religion. Onye nke sere ho na no neje nye ndechi nni no neje mifa religion or ordinary practice or a religion iji wee na-echukwa shiana chukwu ndị ordinary not chukwu bi n'eluigwe. Even though no na-emekwa na-eme na echukwa dị chukwu ordinary mana ewolukwa ọjị a na-ekwukwa okwu n'elu na-agwakwa ndị ikuku okwu iji wee gosikwa na chukwu a bi n'eluigwe karịrị nya iji wee gosi na ntu a Bible si wee sị na ka esi eme n'eluigwe ka esi eme n'ụwa. Even ndị nọ na anafsịrị na ha na-ekpe ọdịnala ha ka na-ewere ọjị na-agwakwa chukwu nọ n'eluigwe chukwu okike abịa ma wo etu a ka esi agọrọ ya ọjị iji wee emechaa gwa iji wee gosi na that supernatural and that all-knowing and powerful God na oversee the affairs of man and the fedonwa, which is the fedonana and the inheritance of this world. Na chukwu ahụ n'eluigwe ka obi ha understand it, yeah? But that is not the point. The point is that all these people who are all talking about religion has blindfolded the sense of common man. Religion within the African religion exists. We go to Africa here even before the white. Yeah, we would have Christianity. They only brought another message of another God. They only brought another form of religion. Religion existed in Africa here before a way would allow as a message. Now, why we will be Kamadi say why I do not buy a will refer to foreign with every single thing not around me here. Who something a would allow and it is serving us far more better than we cannot buy here. So why will you tell me they can abandon Zen to buy Sundosha? Oh, if any Ndocha would allow today make life go do very easy. So why will I have come to religion and with a doubt or anything when they have never disappointed us? Ebana play on your shallow, you will confidence no you blue heavy, 18 guafia, no 1 million shallow, you will trust no you don't guafia, bunata eba, it call now phone ndosha or video call. You have trusted every single thing. How would I lie? The only thing they trust to her that God had introduced to us. So next time, well, religion is this, religion is this. My we will okay, a form of religion. Actually, preach it to me, but don't come against that umbrella name as a religion because even you are religious. You are practicing religion. You are practicing religion. You are talking to a supernatural God. You are talking to that supreme being. He believe no any act of appeasing or worshiping in terms of sacrifice or in that of that unseen God, he believe not the more powerful than man. It is a religious practice. Cannot go there back because you are only being too sentimental. Preach your own kind of religion to me, but don't say you are Africa and religion because we are religious people and you can religion done Africa here even before Ndoshabia. They only brought a different kind of religion to us and I have no regret about it. Yes, I have no regret about it. So, God very clear, Kamado Gadi deceive you, Kamado only blew that message. If you believe you, if you believe you, oh no, other bad may believe you, or here put a seminar Bible Jukomenka, Jesus Jukomenka, Chukujukomenka, Ndoka Jukomenka, Manine Joshua and Miri, in a jar roll, in a jar roll, in a jar wafa. Can you family do different from me? If any in a J Menozordanana, more than a J Menozoka, we are equal. It's just about telling me your own. If you feel if you listen at your own, come my own, or carry it to her. This is Ezugo.